How is a cathedral veil the easiest veil you're going to make? Because it's simple to make but has a large impact. So it feels like it should be hard to make, but it isn't. Hi, I'm Dorene. I'm a bridal milliner, and I'm sharing all my trade secrets with you, and one of them is how to make a cathedral veil from start to finish. I'm going to show you in this tutorial how to cut it and how to put it on a comb, and then you will have the option with my Let's Get Edgy playlist to put different edges on. This one has a little pencil edge, or you can do a cut edge, and so forth. All of your supplies are going to be in the description below, and there's not a lot because it's netting and a comb. Let's get started making this very easy but large impactful veil. To make our cathedral veil, I'm going to do 108-inch width because I want it to be nice and full and big, and I want the train to be nice and wide. And how you want to measure for your cathedral veil is you definitely want to be wearing your heels, because you don't want to have your veil made and then you put on a 4-inch heel, because then you've lost 4 inches of your veil. I'm going to make this about a 90-inch, which will be a standard cathedral. And now I'm going to just measure it out. My board only goes to 45. So here I go. That's 90. And then I give myself a little bit of room for the comb. And you can go 90, 100, whatever the length you want. You want a grand cathedral, you can go further out. You just measure out how far out, and that's where your end cut will be. And then I'm going to give myself about 2 inches for my comb, my gather space. And this is going to be probably the fastest veil you'll ever make, especially if you use a rotary cutter and you do a cut edge. And that's what I'm showing you how to do here. It's just a simple cut edge. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take, because I'm doing a cut edge veil, I'm going to take the edges on the side, and I'm going to go ahead and do a rotary cut on those as well. And I'm going to do the infamous flick, because that is one way to get your netting to obey immediately, is a good little flick. It's a little bit like wrestling air. Get all those edges lined up. And just like that, it lines up. It's got to take your time. And then I'm going to fold it this way. This is the length now. I'm folding it over because this is the edge of your veil. And I'm going to cut off that edge so that it's nice and crisp. Because with a cut edge veil, you don't want it to be all jagged. Smoothing out any wrinkles. And put a lot of pressure, because when you do that, there is a ton of netting, and even though it's thin, it is hard to cut through. But we did it. And this is your cut edge. Isn't that lovely? And now the next part, and we're almost done if you can believe it, is to do the rounded edge. And so a rounded edge can be as simple as just cutting this corner off, which will make the bottom of your cathedral really rounded, and that's kind of the look I'm going for. If I wanted it more of an oval-ish shape, then I would cut more and just keep chipping away, but I want this to be more rounded. I'm going to start about, I think we're about 3/4 of the way, and I'm going to just carve off that corner. Pull that up. Giving that a nice round. And if you get a little corner edge like right there, no worries, just come in and just pull that together and then round that off. That can happen. And there's my 90-inch cathedral. That's it. That's how you cut a cathedral veil. Now, if you would like to gather this veil, check out this tutorial here. It's called Let's Gather Together. And then when you're done with that, you can take your gathered veil over and you can check out, put a comb on it. And in this playlist, there's lots of different wonderful ways to put your gathered veil on a comb. All right, wasn't that fun? So you can see that this veil is really easy to make. Just measure it out, cut it, and off you go, and you're ready to go. I mentioned to check out this playlist, Let's Get Edgy, and it's going to show you all the different kind of edges you can do from start to finish. All right, thanks for dropping in. See you later, veil makers.